The fine mesh of a mist net is barely visible in the cool dawn air. These mist nets are opened each day by staff at Burke Lake Banding Station. Their target? Migratory birds. Birds are captured unharmed as they fly into the net. Throughout the morning, crews operate the nets and extract captured birds. Researchers at Michigan State conduct this banding to form long-term data sets on migratory birds. In addition to monitoring the diversity and health of birds, long-term temporal changes in bird migration could be uncovered. As indicator species, changes in bird populations can signal greater problems across the landscape. Each captured bird is taken back to the banding station. It receives a metal band on its right leg, closed using special banding pliers. The bands are lightweight and carry a serial number, which allows the bird to be individually identified in the event of recapture. Blowing on the belly of the bird allows researchers to view fat and muscle beneath the skin. Fat and muscle scores are recorded, and wing length is measured using a wing ruler. As soon as the process is finished, the birds are released back into the wild. Birds visit this area for a reason. An abundance of fruit-bearing shrubs provides an important food source for hungry migrating birds. Winterberry and spicebush are among the favorite foods of migratory birds here. Areas like this are known as stopover sites. Yellow-rumped warblers, northern cardinals, and hermit thrush are among the diverse array of bird species that use this stopover site in the fall. Important stopover sites like those found at Burke Lake are becoming harder to find. Invasive species, such as this buckthorn, are replacing native species. Urban sprawl also disrupts natural ecosystems. Fortunately, you have the ability to help migratory birds. Your very backyard can become a stopover site. You just need to include the right components. Bird baths, feeders, and houses are a fantastic start, but there remains much more you can do. Start by planting native species, such as this pokeweed, whose colorful berries nourish hungry birds. Allow thickets to form naturally. Many layers of cover are attractive for birds. Don't trim those branches at the base of your trees. Ground-dwelling species such as sparrows need their protection. Even ornamental plant species, such as these bright flowers, provide nectar to hummingbirds in the summer. Dried seed heads provide food to finches in winter. Simple changes to lawn maintenance can attract birds. Leaving portions of your lawn unmowed attracts insects, and in turn, birds too. Dead timber is best left standing. Here it is most useful for foraging woodpeckers, such as this red-bellied woodpecker. With these changes, patches of habitat once unused by migratory birds become much more appealing. Even urban and residential spaces can be managed to provide protection and food for migrating birds. Across a large scale, the combined effects of individual homeowner choices can form a vast network of stopover sites for migratory birds. It all starts with your backyard.